WHS Targeted Risk Management System. Complex Co. Scrivener Dam. WHS Targeted Risk Management System. Scrivener Dam is a 6-year-old concrete gravity dam responsible for the creation of Lake Burley Griffin and serves as a conduit between the Upper Molonglo River and the Murrrumbidgee River. Complex Co. has operated and maintained this essential piece of Canberra history for many years, successfully navigating 25 flood events. The dam's hydraulic release methods vary, requiring a bespoke WHSE and QA plan. Scrivener has experienced no lost time injuries during Complex Co.'s operations and maintenance contract, and Complex Co.'s dedicated team have brought the structure into the 21st century through careful and strategic modernisation to manage risks and ensure safety. Congratulations, Complex Co.